Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and recently I went on a cruise with my family. We went to Mexico on the Carnival Cruise line, and I wanted to share my vlog as well as all the products that I took with me. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and let's get into it. So the first thing we have here are all of my toiletries, so anything that you're going to need in the restroom. Now, of course, you have to bring sunblock, and this one in particular is a Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist. It's 100 plus, and it comes with this really cool nozzle, so it helps you to get your back on your own. I thought that was pretty cool. I also have a secret deodorant, which smells amazing. I also got this Babu swim and sport shampoo and wash. It's great for after a chlorine pool or hot tub, and that's exactly what I needed for this trip. I also have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunblock, and this was in a 30, so I can just use that on a daily basis. I also have the St. Ives Soothers, I believe it's their oatmeal body wash. And then I have some other products here in this reusable bag. I have all of my medicine, so I have some cough drops, some antihistamine, some Zyrtec. I also have some Dramamine in this little orange package that's for, motion sickness. I also have some essential oils, an anxiety mist, some children's Tylenol. I have some Tums, some Band-Aids. I also have some Theraflu, a thermometer because I was worried about Jude catching a cold, so of course I have some cold medicine like some Sudafed. I also have some Advil and some adult cough drops, so definitely completely different from the kids. They have little sticks so you don't choke on them. And in this little pouch I also have these it's kind of like airborne. It's just to help to boost your immunity, especially if you're on a boat with a bunch of sick people. So it's really important to have these wet wipes, which are antibacterial wipes. I also have my makeup wipes. I have some aloe vera after sun spray. I also packed some of these Shout wipes to get out some stains. I have my little poopery back there. I also brought this wrinkle releaser because if you guys know anything about cruises, you cannot bring an iron because you don't want a fire in your small little cabin. So yeah, all these little things did come in handy. I also have this new Tarte Guard. It's a mineral sunblock, so after you do your makeup you can just dust this on top, and I'm telling you guys, it was amazing. Also, walkie-talkies. These were the best. If you're on the cruise ship, you're not going to have any cell service, so to communicate with your family members or any friends, I suggest getting walkie-talkies. These two were, I think it was $25 on Amazon, so super cheap and really reliable. So aside from the walkie-talkies, I also packed most of my charging cables for my GoPro, my phone, my laptop, my camera. I also packed a selfie stick. I'm not sure if this one even worked, so I think I brought 2 of them by mistake and I didn't even use it. I also got this portable DVD player from Amazon. It came with a remote and headphones, I believe, for under $40. So it was a super steal because in your cabin or stateroom, you have a TV, but it only has a few channels, and they are Carnival Cruise channels, so pretty boring for the most part. And when you think of a cruise, you don't really consider the fact that you need walking shoes, so make sure you bring those, especially if you paid for an excursion away from the boat. You're going to be doing a lot of walking. I also purchased these card holders off of Amazon. They're going to carry our ship cards, which is like the main currency on board. And then I also purchased these protective waterproof phone cases. I didn't need them for this trip, but I have needed them in the past, so those are really a cool find on Amazon for really cheap. I also have all of my paperwork that I need as far as like being on board, the schedule, the kids' schedule, my excursion, receipts and passes. All these things can be found on board, either outside of your door or at the information booth. And that's pretty much it. I would also recommend downloading your cruise line's app. I know Carnival has one. They also have a message hub where you can message your friends and family for, I think it's an extra $5. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this part of the video. We're going to get into the vlog. I know I didn't show too much fashion and things like that just because I wanted to keep this pretty universal, but I'm so excited for you guys to watch the vlog. So let's get into that.